empowering the future of precast concrete and large-scale steel structures. Introducing the fully automated truss deck production line from YiZhou, designed for demanding industrial production. The system features an advanced HMI control interface for smarter operation. Operators simply input the required truss parameters, and the machine performs continuous high-speed bending and precision welding automatically. The automated process minimizes manual intervention, helping reduce labor costs and material waste. At the same time, it improves production stability and increases daily output efficiency without compromising quality. Precision automation for stronger and smarter construction manufacturing.
For the ALC panel industry.